How does he know that that's the spot to bury his bone?
It's a dog thing.
Hey, look at this! Where is everyone? Whoopsie! Sorry.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, dirt never hurt anyone.
Yes, yes! Getting dirty is noble and fun. Is that a stain? Oh, no.
Oh, what do you got there, bud?
No idea. It was buried right here. Only one way to find out. Tally-ho! Voila!
Whoa! It's certainly